All right, guys. Thank God it is another beautiful day. So today, guys, we're going to discuss on how an individual can be able to earn from the internet, guys. So I'm gonna give you a couple of scenario, what to do, what to sell, uh, what to offer, for you to being able to earning every single day. When you just give yourself permission to have an online presence, guys. So before I get a dive into, let me first introduce myself. For those people who they don't know me, I go by the name of Raymond. I'm a father, I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm working full time online, guys. So let's go dive into to see our topic where we centered in how we're gonna share information to the masses, especially for those people who they will be able to watch this video via YouTube, guys. um, so guys, I'm gonna give you a couple of scenario or ideas for an individual who he doesn't have any online experience and whatsoever, but I'm gonna mention a couple of few tips on how you can be able to study as a newbie, how you can be able to earn money from the internet, guys. So for those people who they don't know why internet, guys, internet, it is the only source in the world that create new first time millionaire every single day. So for you, if you just want to be millionaire today, or having enough money for you to manage it and drive your life, whatever that you want to drive, so internet, it is somewhere or something where if you just pay attention, you learn the skill set, what it takes for you to be able to take a charge of your own life and control. I think for me, I can recommending you to do it is to starting online, guys. Because why online, guys? Online, guys, or internet, it is the giant and the biggest country, which are almost 3 billion people. They are just visiting it every single day, guys. So for you, if you just decided to offer any services, selling any product or service, you could be able, guys, to reach it to a lot of people, from the different country. So what type of product are very best to sell online or service, guys? I can center on information product, guys, because uh, information product does not require for you to have a physical office, such a thing like inventory. Information product, guys, doesn't require you to have a physical product to ship out, but information product are the one that a customer can either access to a certain website or can download it to his computer or mobile phone. Those are the very vital product or service, guys, to sell to the entire internet, guys. I can give you example, guys. If you can decided to selling today, when it's come to service, if you do a service like uh, holiday, holiday, it is a product someone can access online, right? And can pay online, right? And at the end of the day, you will earn commission because you just expose or sell that a trip or holiday to someone. Or you can either sell it something like what we call it ebook. ebook, it is a virtual book someone can download from his device, whether a computer or mobile phone or Kindle, you know. uh, then once they pay, they could be getting access to go and downloading the sourcing material of the book, and then they can have it in their devices so that they can be able to lead to access it at any time that they want. So those are type of information, and there is a website where they just are selling information like how to do graphic design. So the owner of that information can put it in a form of module. They could be, let's say, module 1 to 10. So an individual who wanted to have that skill set can be able to pay in order for him to access those modules, and they can be in terms of written as well as a video form. So you can be able to access that website and learning through video or through Zoom call or webinar, such a thing like that. Those are the kind of informational um, product or services someone can be able to sell it online. Other people, they're just selling something like a boot camp, where people, they just pay for training of certain thing, like let's say marketing boot camp about web skills, uh, how to blog, boot camp about how to write books, and so on and so forth, guys. So those are the kind of the idea that an individual can be able to engage himself and being able to have a product and sell it to the entire world. So where the money comes from? So doing online business, it's a numbering game, guys. I know you understand when I mean about numbering game. So for example, I can give you this scenario. Let's say you're just selling your product at $1 price, and your goal is just to make uh, 10,000 US dollar, right? So that it could be a month, a day, a week, or to the entire year. You just have to decide on your own. For example, my goal is just to making 10,000 US dollar, guys, and my product value will be $100. I suppose to sell my product to 100 people. So 100 people times $100 for value of the product, that is 10,000 US dollar, guys. So how to reach out to the masses, guys, for you to being able to sell that $100 product to 100 people? There is a couple of things you just needed to have, and for you to being able to sell your product. For example, the number one source or tool you just need to have, it is merchant. uh, Someone can pay through card or through cryptocurrency or through PayPal. For example, if someone pay through PayPal, that is a merchant, or payment processor that you just needed to engage or to integrate with your website or with your product in order for you to being able to receive funding or cash onto your account, guys. So there is a multiple service online, which is they're just offering merchant account or online processor payment service. One of the largest is PayPal, and there is other like a platform like a Shopify, where you can just list your product whether it's physical or downloadable product. You can just list it there. They can give you as well a merchant service or a payment processor for you to being able to receive your payment, guys. So once you do have a payment processor or payment facility, in order for you to receive money once someone purchases product from your website, the number two you just need to have for you to be able to sell your product, you just need to have a website where you could be able or to list your product, a website or an e-commerce platform. So there are so many platforms out there to the marketplace where you can list your product, and then they can handle maintenance, merchant online processor service, uh, so many product out there, like I said, guys. So for you, you just need to have your product for you to list onto those website, guys. Number three, guys, you just need highest ball. That is a critical. A lot of people, they do have a product online, but they end up sell none. Why? Because they fail or they don't know how to drive highest ball to their product. So highest ball, what I mean by that, guys, you just need a traffic. You just needed to list your product in front of the people eyes in order for them to make decision purchasing your product. So traffic, guys, you gotta have budget. So there is so many ways to driving traffic to your website, so for people to see your product. Then when it's come to decision, it is based on to the people that are you driving into. So those are the things that you just need. There is so many software you can advertise for you to being able to driving traffic to your website. You can start with a social media platform, uh, Facebook, one of the largest, Instagram, TikTok, Google. All those are the source where you can be able to list and advertise your product in order for them to drive in traffic. But not only all that, you also have marketing tools, guys. Market tool is such a thing like landing page, um, autoresponder, where you can be able to store your contact, customer contact, like an email, phone number, and as this autoresponder, they will be able to just marketing your product on automatic way. So having marketing tools, it is key, guys, because you could not have been able to market any product out there without having marketing tools, guys. Yes, marketing tools, guys. It is a critical for those people who they just wanna started online businesses, starting coaching businesses, starting anything that you tended to offer service or physical product to the people. You gotta need marketing tools, guys, because it will be able to organize your marketing strategies. uh, there is a lot of people, they do have a product and service, but they end up fail to being able marketing their product online because they don't know of that sources, guys. So for you to being able to dominate your marketing, and in order for you to reach outside to the masses, you gotta need to have those tools in order for you to be able to dominate internet as the source, guys. So those are the things, guys. But if you kind of like need more one-to-one consultation kind of thing, below this video there is a comment section. You can comment whatever that you want, then I'll contact you, and then we'll start a conversation from there, guys. There is a like below this video. You can go and like it. There is as well comment, guys. You can go and comment. There is as well subscribe button. You just go and hit subscribe button, and there is as well notification bell, guys. Just go and turn it on, so whenever I just upload a new video, you will be the first to get it notified by YouTube, guys. So I'm looking forward, guys, to share more nuggets, more information with you. Thank you.